recently launched Vivo Y300 Pro is known for its super large battery, featuring a massive 6,500 mAh capacity. While many phones in the market come with 6,000 mAh batteries, the 6,500 mAh battery in the Vivo Y300 Pro is its most attractive selling point. In most phones with large batteries, you might find 6,000 mAh or more, but they tend to be quite heavy, which makes them uncomfortable to use. However, with the Vivo Y300 Pro, you get a long-lasting battery without compromising on user experience. The Vivo Y300 Pro stands out because, despite having an oversized battery, its thickness and weight are similar to phones with regular batteries. It comes in an attractive ocean blue color, along with other options like black, titanium, and white. In weight tests, the phone is just 198 grams, which is similar to normal flagship phones. When checking its thickness, it measures only 7.8 millimeters, making it slim and easy to handle. Vivo Y300 Pro is the first phone in the market to have such a large battery with a thickness of under 8 millimeters. So, how did Vivo achieve this? They made the battery packaging thinner and also reduced the size of the 5G motherboard. This gave more space for the battery, allowing the phone to have a large battery while keeping the weight and thickness low. In battery tests, the phone lasted 5 hours in a heavy endurance test, showing its strong battery performance. During the test, the room temperature was 25 degrees Celsius, the screen brightness was set at 200 nits, the volume was 50%, and game performance mode was turned on. In this setup, they tested different tasks for 1 hour each, including watching 1080p videos on TikTok, playing Honor of Kings at 90 FPS, recording at 1080p 60 FPS, and browsing. Even after such heavy testing, the battery only dropped from 99% to 53%. Specifically, video watching consumed just 4% of the battery, meaning you could watch videos continuously for up to 20 hours. Playing Honor of Kings for 1 hour consumes 11% of the battery, so you could play continuously for up to 11 hours. This makes the Vivo Y300 Pro an outstanding phone in terms of battery life. Now that we've covered the Vivo Y300 Pro's impressive battery, let's talk about its charging. The phone supports 80 watts fast charging, and in the charging test, it took just 48 minutes to go from 0 to 100%, which is amazing for such a large battery. If you care a lot about battery life, the Vivo Y300 Pro is the best choice. You can charge the battery up to 1,700 times, and even after that, it will still retain more than 80% of its capacity. Now that we've looked at the battery life and charging, which are the main selling points, let's check other aspects of the Vivo Y300 Pro. Since it has a large battery, the phone's body is slightly wider than regular phones. Most phones are usually 74 to 75 millimeters wide, but the Vivo Y300 Pro is 76.4 millimeters wide. In short, it may not be easy to operate this phone with one hand. However, from a video watching perspective, the wider display area is a plus. The phone also has great textures similar to the Vivo X100 flagship phone, making it feel high-end. The camera module is large with a gold-colored ring, which adds to the phone's attractive look. On the front, you get a full-screen V4 curved display. You'll notice differences in bezel width on the top, bottom, and sides. When viewed from the side, the display has a slight curve. The screen of the Vivo Y300 Pro is designed with perfectly rounded corners, which gives it a smooth look and makes it easier to grip. It has a 6.77-inch OLED display with full HD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. There's also an under-display fingerprint sensor. In brightness tests, the screen reaches a maximum of 550 nits manually and 110 nits in strong light, so you'll have good visibility even when using the phone outdoors. The screen looks and feels great in use. It has a 2160 Hz PWM dimming feature, but it can support up to 3840 Hz. To enable this high-frequency dimming, you need to turn on developer mode on the phone. Additionally, the Vivo Y300 Pro includes an IR remote control, so you can use it to control various home appliances. The phone also has volume that's 200% louder compared to normal phones. The Vivo Y300 Pro also has an IP65 waterproof rating, so you can operate the screen with wet hands, which is a practical feature. It runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, known for being power efficient due to its 4nm platform. The phone comes in various variants, ranging from 8GB RAM with 128GB storage to 12GB RAM with 512GB storage. In daily use, the phone performs very well and can run Honor of Kings at 90 FPS. As for the camera, the Vivo Y300 Pro has a dual rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies, it has a 32 megapixels front camera. However, the primary camera does not come with optical image stabilization, OIS. It only has electronic image stabilization, EIS, through software. For pricing, the base variant of the Vivo Y300 Pro with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage starts at 1799 Chinese yuan in China. This is around £193 in the UK or $253 in the USA. In conclusion, this phone is ideal for those who prioritize battery life, use it mainly for multimedia like movies and TV series, and do some casual gaming. However, the camera quality is below average and the phone is a bit wide. So, what do you think about the Vivo Y300 Pro? Which feature do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you with the next latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.